Hi. Let's take a look at some Icelandic car vocabulary. Framrúðan, the windshield. Bremsurnar, the brakes. Vélin, the engine. Stýrið, the steering wheel. Stýrið, bílsæti, car seat. Some more examples. Framrúðan, the front windshield. Framrúðan hrein. The front windshield is clean. Ég held í stýrið. I hold on to the steering wheel. Ég að beygja. I am turning. Whoa! Big turn. Bílsætið þægilegt. The car seat is comfortable. It's very þægilegt. It's very comfortable. And you'll no doubt have noticed that the words change in different situations. That's just how Icelandic works, and we'll get into that a bit more in the next videos. Which car parts would you like to know next? Let me know in the comments. Takk fyrir.